What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we're gonna be I'm gonna explain how Tradingview works because I have a lot of people on my Instagram that they be asking me like, oh, I'm not familiar with that platform, or they don't know how to work this platform. So it's really simple. I know it seems like there's a lot. So this is how it will look once you open Tradingview, right? But then you could customize it a way that you want, whatever way you want to do it. So you could leave it like this. You could move all this line. This is volume. I usually don't have none of this on my chart. I like having my chart nice and clean. So to begin with, so you guys see all this up here, right? These are your indicators. So let's say you want to add an indicator. Let's say you want to add EMAs. You would just go here, and it will get added right away. So you see it right here, this blue line. That's your EMA. Now it comes every. You could change it to. Let me see right here. So you could put whatever you got, 200. So then it will change. You see how it switched. So that's that. You could also click on it. You don't have to go here into this settings. Once you click on it, all this is gonna pop up. So like the style, everything, inputs, everything. Let's say you want to remove it. You just go right here to this um, remove button, click that. Now, you also got this volume, like I said earlier. Let's say you don't want none of this. Let's say you don't want these lines. These lines are when market opens, like every, I think it's 1800 that it opens. Yeah, 1800. So these lines are, so from here to here, this is a full day. So you guys see this 18. Monday, 18, I believe 18 is 6 for me. So this is 6 p.m. for me. Now, all this happened in one day, in one trading day, from 6 p.m. till 5 p.m. And then it closes and then it opens again at 6 p.m. So it closes for like about like an hour. Now, let's say you guys want to take this off, right? You guys don't want this, you guys don't want the volume. You guys could go here, remove volume. Now for these is a little different. You guys could see I don't have it here. So what you could do is you could click on this, double click that, and then once the section breaks, you could turn that off. You see, I have a clean, nice looking chart. Now, let's say you guys want to change the candle, the colors of the candle. You could double click any candle, and then here you could change it. You guys could see, we change. So let's say you want that like that. I'm just putting whatever color so you guys could see what I'm talking about. Let's put this blue. So you see, the candles change. Now, let's say you want to put it back how it was. You go here to template, and then you're gonna put apply as default. So you see how it looks different now. Let's say you see these white squares. Let's say you want to take this off. You don't want. Some people leave it. I don't like it personally because I don't know. I just feel like it's too much. Like all these little square. A lot of people leave it because like it matches these numbers right here. It's easier. So you guys could see like this one right here. It's 39,380. But I just take it off to be honest. So the way that you could take it off is so you double click any candle. You go where it says canvas. So right here where it says you want none. So grid lines you want none. Other cool thing is that you could change the background, how the background looks. So you see you could have it all black. I usually like it like this. No, not like this. Like this right here. Sometimes I have my charts like this because then it's not too bright, but then it's not too dark. You know what I'm saying? So you could leave it like this, or right now I have mine. I just have it white right now because I got tired of that one. But the white one is a little bit too bright. Like if you trade at night or something like that, where all your lights off, this will be a little bit too bright. But it's all preference. Now, this right here, these are my favorite um items that I use. So these I always have it down here. You can move this up here. You can leave it in the middle, wherever you would like. You can put it over here. I just have it down here because I don't I don't really use none of this down here. None of this, none of this, none of this. I don't use none of it. So I just put it right here. Now all these right here, let's say you got a futures account, right? You will go to trading panel and all these brokers, you could use all these brokers. So you guys see how on my Instagram, I'll be seeing my profits around here. It'll be showing me my profits. That's because I'm trading straight from Tradingview. I'm not going to like tradervay.com and trading in their platform. So Tradervay has something I'm pretty sure all of these brokers have that you could trade straight from TradingView. I just like it like that better. It's easier for me, so I do everything on TradingView now with futures. Now the other thing is, so like let's say all this right here. The first one is your trend line. So everything that has to do with lines will be basically right here. Now let's say you wanna add one of these to your favorites, so they could all be here, so it could be easier for you to just click it and just put it on the screen, and that's it. You don't have to go here and start looking for different lines. So I only have the horizontal ray and the trend line. All these I don't really use like that, so I could care less about all these stuff right here. So that's how I don't favorite them. um This one right here, I only have the fib because, like I said, I don't really care about these. But if you want to favorite any of these, you just press the start, and then as you can see, like this one right here is right here now. I can just click it and just put it wherever I want to. Now let's say you want to remove it, you just on start, like you on favorite this one. That's it. It's not really that hard. Here I only have head and shoulders. So like, let's say you guys can't see a head and shoulders or have questions about it, you can always use this. This will tell you. You see it marks it for you. And that's how you draw it. The other thing, the other thing is these right here. Now here I have a few. I think this has to be like my favorite ones. This is like I have a lot of favorites in here. So this is the brush. So I have all of them here. The highlight I used to have it, but then I stopped using it, so I just removed it so it won't be so crowded in here, and I won't have so much stuff. I'm about to start removing some like this circle thing I don't really use. Let's say you want to type something in the screen. That's it. You just press that, and then you just move it wherever you want. The one that I started using a lot is these right here, the X and the check mark. Because let's say I'm lost the trade, I would just put this here with my analysis, like with everything, and then I will go over like midweek, and then on Friday I will go over them and post it on my Discord and YouTube, not Instagram, because these videos be type long and Instagram don't really like long videos for some reason. Probably not on my Instagram, but I started using these a lot, the X and the check mark. Now this ruler right here, right? So let's say you want to measure something, like how many pips is away. So now let's say you're waiting to enter right here at the break of these candles right here. So you will measure from here to here, and that will tell you. So it's 29 pips till it breaks this. Let's say you could do it going down too. So let's say you're waiting for this to break right here. For it to break, it needs 63 pips, so it could break. This I used to use it back then, but I don't use it no more like that. And then all these, to be honest, you don't really need these. Like these is if you have stuff drawn in your chart. So like, let's say I have this, I want here, and this is just random. You go click this little thing right here, and it will just hide it for you. So you unclick it. So that's this part. Now, one of my favorite parts about TradingView is that the alarms. sometimes the alarms be type glitchy. I'm not gonna lie. Like if you put an alarm, and let's say you put an alarm and then come back to sit down once it activates. Sometimes depends if there's a lot of volume in the market, the alarm won't go off right away. So like let's say for an example, like let's say this candle just started dropping down like crazy, like it just melted down, and I had an alarm right here. So this is how you put the alarm too. So you will, this is one way. There's different ways that you could do it, but this is one of the ways. Let's say you're waiting for the market to break this low right here. You'll click on this line. You'll click on this clock thing, looking thing. Then you'll say it says add alert. Let's say you want to type. You could type here too. Break. Create. So then you'll see this little clock right here. That means that once price is breaking this area, TradingView will send a notification. Like let's say you have it on your phone or you have it on your computer. I will start doing like a ringtone thing, like a notification thing. That's how you know that I broke that area. So then you need to come back to the desk and take a look at it. But like I said, sometimes it glitches out, so it's not always accurate. That's the only thing I don't really like. But other than that, this has to be one of my favorite things on TradingView. Now let's say you want to take it off, you just remove it. That's it. Um, the other thing is, so for this part, you guys do have to pay. Let's say you guys want to back test or anything like that, you do have to pay for this right here. So let's say you want to back test, it will be right here. So let's say you guys sit down Friday nights to back test and get better. So you will just click here. You could either click it or you could just let it run, and then you could see what the market did. So whenever you see that movement again in the future, you already know, you have an idea of what might happen because the market likes doing stuff. The market likes repeating itself. So if it did something last week and you remember, most likely it will do the same thing next week or the week after that. Whenever you see it, but at least you know, oh, I seen this before. Last time I saw it, it came up and then it rejected and then it just started dropping. So that's another cool thing. But like I said, you guys do have to pay extra for that. I already talked about the indicators. Now this right here, these three things right here, these are the candles. So I know a few people that trade with these candles. Um, I don't even know how to pronounce that to be honest. But these candles, they're not like regular candles. So these candles are by volume. All these candles, they're not like the regular candles. These are actual candles. These candles are like volume candles. So like right here, there's a lot of volume. Like over here, there's a lot of volume too. Um, but they're really, really good. Like whenever, let's say you have a lot of FOMO. I used to do this before. I used to get in the trade on these candles, for an example, and I used to not leave the trade till like I seen that one green candle. Because if I saw one green candle, that means that buyers are coming in the market. So let's say I was selling right here. Let's say I was selling right when it broke this support right here. I would have sold right here, and I would not leave the trade. I would not get out the trade once I saw green candle. So once I saw this green candle, I was out. That's it. That was it for me. So that helped me a lot back then. I already got over that. So now I have it here just to see it, but I don't really use it no more. Now these were good when I was marking like back then when I used to be marking my support and resistance. Cause here you could see a little bit clear, like right here, like everywhere you see like right here, um, right here there's a support. Right here there's a support. Like these are good, these are the lines. But let's say you have all these other options. Now for these you do have to pay, sadly. But for some of them you do have to pay. Some of them are free. You don't have to pay. It already comes with TradingView. But my favorite ones are the regular ones. So these right here. Now this is the other thing I like about TradingView. All these right here, you see how I favorite the time frames that I use a lot. I don't really use the 45. I used to use the 10 minute, not no more. I used to use the 3 minute, not anymore. So now I just stick to the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, and so on and so forth, as you guys can see. So now, because when I'm trading, right, and I'm about to get in a trade, I like going on each time frame like really fast. So like that, I don't have to be looking for like the 30. Let's say I'm in the 5 minute and I want to go up to the 1 hour. I don't have to go here and look for the 1 hour. I could just go to from the 1 hour to the 5 minute, from the 5 minute to the 30, from the 30 to the 4 hour, let's say, and so on and so forth. So this is really cool because it makes trading easier for you if you are the type of trader that like looking at different time frames at the same time. So you could just click it really fast and it would just go. Now, these right here, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I only use two of these, and it's the first two, which is the alerts. This is the other way that you could set alerts. So these are all the alerts I have put. I don't think they record every alert, but these are some of them. You could create them here. So here you will put the price. So let's say you want to get an alert once price hits 39,530. You can put it here, and it will just alert you right away. The other one that I use a lot is these right here. So this is my watch list. These are the, to be honest, I only trade YM, which is US 30. I only trade YM. I used to trade gold, but not no more. I just stick to one pair, and that's it. But these, I have them here. I don't even know why, to be honest, because I don't trade S&P 500. I don't trade Nasdaq. I don't trade gold. I definitely don't trade Bitcoin. But Bitcoin, I just have it here because I've been looking to invest in Bitcoin. So I'm just waiting a little longer to see what it's gonna do. Now this is the dollar. The dollar, I could say that I don't do analysis on the dollar, but when I used to trade gold, I used to do an analysis for gold and the dollar. Cause gold, like let's say the dollar is going up, most likely gold is gonna go down. The dollar is going. If the dollar is going up, gold is gonna go down. If the dollar is going down, gold is gonna go up. That's one trick of the dollar and gold. Um, but that's about it. And then it shows you like if they're bearish, like the percentage. So like right now, US 30 is bearish, and here as number wise is negative. But one tip I'm gonna give you guys is if they're all green, then most likely they're gonna keep going up. That's one tip. Sometimes I look at that. Not all the time. I used to. Now this right here, this section right here, I don't really use it. I find no point of it. Me personally, I don't really use it. It's just here because I think you have to have it here. I'm not really sure, but it don't bother me, so I just leave it there because I barely be in here. Now this plus sign right here, you see how it says add symbol? Let's say you guys are looking for a specific pair. Let's say it's stocks, futures, forex, crypto, indices. They will all be here. So then let's say you guys want to look at forex. You guys want to look at AUD USD. You click this plus sign, and then here you go. So this is the chart. Now they have different brokers. The one I do suggest if you're gonna do like forex, I suggest only Oanda. Oanda is really good. So like, let's see when I look at the euro dollar. There you go. See how it just pops up right away, and then you still have your time frames on the top where you could go through each time frame right here. But I don't trade it, so I'm just gonna take it off. What else? Right here, this camera, you could, let's say you're trading on your computer or anything like that. You could, let's say you want to save a setup that you took. You could click here, download image, and it will just download to your computer. Um, but to be honest, that's about it. There's another way that you could look at the symbols too. Right here on this plus sign, or right here. That's another way if you don't like having this open, like me. But that's about it. To be honest, that's all you really need to know to make money in TradingView and trading in general. That's all you really need. Now here, you're gonna be in TradingView most of the time when you sit down to trade. Some people like trading straight from their broker. There's no problem with that. I'm just me personally. I like trading. I like trading in Tradingview instead of going back and forth between Tradingview and the broker, whoever you guys have as a broker. That's what I love about futures. In futures, you could trade straight from Tradingview, and they'll show you your stop loss, your profit, everything. Mine don't show it because this is not. This is another um they call these things another layout. This is a different layout that I made just for this video. But yeah, that's all you guys really need to know. Um, if you guys want indicators, you guys could go here. Like let's say you guys use RSI. I don't really use it no more. I used to. It will be RSI and everything like that. So it ain't that hard once you get used to it. Let's say you wanna draw a box. You click on the box. You go put it like right here. And that's it. It's not that hard. Let's say you wanna do a trend line. You put it right here. It's not that hard. It's not. It's really not that complicated. So don't complicate it. Just play with it, play around with it, so you guys get comfortable with it. Let's say you guys want to take a buy, for an example, right here. Go here. Now you could set this. This I have it set up. You could also change the color of this right here. So we change the color. We'll change the color. But that's about it, to be honest. That's all you guys need to know, so you guys can make money. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. Take advantage of this video because when I started trading, there wasn't that much Tradingview videos, so I had to just learn it the hard way, just clicking around, playing with it. Don't forget about the free Discord. It's still open, so it's still free. That's why I send all my trading ideas, everything every morning. Some mornings I would. Yesterday I sent an idea, but not today. But just join. It's free. Um, so yeah, this is all you guys really need. If you guys have any questions, concerns, please comment below. Like, share the video, and subscribe because I'll be posting more videos more often. Like tomorrow, I'm about to upload a video tonight. Then tomorrow I'm gonna upload another video, like a mid-week breakdown, so you guys can see how it's going for the week for me and the market, what the market is doing for the week and stuff like that. I'm about to start posting Fridays, Friday nights or Saturday nights, Sunday nights, and Wednesdays. Those are about like breakdowns and stuff like that. All right, guys, take it easy. Good luck. Don't overthink stuff. You got this. Let's keep going. Let's make some money.